Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Transit sliding door. Gather tools, secure the van, and start by removing the interior panel and trim carefully. Label fasteners and hinges to keep track of their locations. Disconnect electrical connectors and gas struts gently to avoid damage. Keep a helper for heavy lifting and test. Fit the new door before final torque-ing of bolts for proper alignment and smooth operation. Prepare the work area with a clean flat surface, ramps or jack stands, and ample lighting for safe access. Inspect the replacement door for scratches, dents, and matching hardware before you begin, and compare hinge spacing carefully. Organize fasteners into labeled trays and photograph each step to aid reassembly. Test fit rollers and adjusters loosely, then verify smooth sliding action before final torque and seal installation properly to prevent leaks. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more transit repair guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long repairs and fits most cup holders for convenience. It has a leak-proof lid and wide mouth for ice. Check the description for the link and other deals on gear that makes jobs easier. Stay safe, grab a sip, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by disconnecting battery to avoid electrical faults, then remove the interior trim and weather seal. Support the door with a jack or helper, remove hinge bolts, and disconnect the latch mechanism carefully. Lift the door straight up to free from lower rollers and slide out with steady control. Clean hinge surfaces and apply lubricant before fitting the new door, then adjust alignment and test the latch and sliding action thoroughly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.